Welcome to our video on freelancing and offering services online. Freelancing is a great way to work on your own terms, set your own schedule, and build a career doing what you love. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to get started as a freelancer and how to effectively offer your services online. If you are new to the channel and you would like educational videos that show you a step-by-step process of how to make money online, feel free to subscribe. Let's get this video to 100,000 likes. Your support means a lot and it will motivate us to create more valuable content for you. Don't forget to click on that bell notification icon to get notified whenever a new video comes out. Thank you, and keep your notebook and pen close to you because you don't want to miss any of these information. Chapter 1: Determine your skills and services. Before you start freelancing, it's important to know what you're good at and what services you can offer. This could be anything from writing and editing to graphic design and web development. Take some time to reflect on your strengths and think about how you can turn those skills into a business. Chapter 2: Set up a portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of your work that shows off your skills and experience. This can be a website, a social media account, or a physical portfolio. Be sure to include samples of your best work and any relevant information about your experience and education. Chapter 3: Find clients and market your services. There are many ways to find clients as a freelancer. You can use job boards, social media, networking events, or even cold pitching. It's important to be proactive in finding work and consistently marketing your services to potential clients. Chapter 4: Set your rates and negotiate payment. Determining your rates can be tricky, but it's important to charge what you're worth. Consider your experience, the market rate for your services, and any expenses you may have. Be prepared to negotiate payment with clients, and don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Chapter 5: Build a professional brand. Brand is your reputation as a freelancer. It's important to be professional and consistent in all of your interactions with clients. This includes things like responding to emails in a timely manner, meeting deadlines, and delivering high-quality work. In conclusion, freelancing can be a rewarding and flexible career path. By determining your skills and services, setting up a portfolio, finding clients, setting your rates, and building a professional brand, you can be on your way to success as a freelancer. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has helped you on your journey to becoming a successful freelancer.